Keyzar Jewelry Review: Is legit or a scam? Keyzar Jewelry Review: Is legit or a scam? If you're searching for affordable and trendy jewelry online, Keyzar Jewelry might have caught your eye. But the big question is, can you trust this site, or is it just another scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming that any flashy website selling jewelry is risky. The surprising truth about Keyzar Jewelry is that it appears to be a legitimate retailer. Customers report receiving products, as described, with accurate images and fair quality for the price point. You won't believe what happens next. While the jewelry is legitimate, some users note slow shipping times and occasional minor packaging issues. These are not signs of a scam, but are fairly common with online jewelry retailers. Payment is processed securely, and the site offers standard return and exchange policies, which is reassuring for first-time buyers. For a safe shopping experience, make sure to read product descriptions carefully, check for customer reviews, and understand the return policy before making a purchase. Stick to secure payment methods and avoid sharing extra personal information. In conclusion, Keyzar Jewelry is generally legitimate. While it's not luxury jewelry, it provides trendy and affordable options that many customers enjoy. With a little patience on shipping and a focus on safety, you can confidently shop from Keyzar Jewelry without worrying about scams.